Guys, this is an emergency video because, man, oh my God, it's getting scary out there, man. I mean, people are really nasty. Somebody's like taking down my Instagram, and so that the scammers, right? They can run a rickshaw and really scam people like left, right, and center. Right here is somebody that I know is saying, "Hey, DaVinci, is this you?" And it's obviously not me because one, it's DavinciJ not underscore 15. It's DavinciJ15 is my account. There's going to be DavinciJ period 15, all kinds of different things. So you got to watch out for that because that's how they scam you. Don't let them scam you because they're horrible. They'll take your money. Don't lose your bitcoins. Hold on to your bitcoins. I'll never ever ask you to send me money for anything at all. Just if that happens, right, I want you to do one thing for me, right? Send them a little message saying, if you see it looks like me, and if you think it's me, and I'm asking you for money, and I'm asking you to take to buy some course or whatever, right? I want you to write two little words, F and U, right? It's not words, but you could use the you know what I'm saying, right? All right. So if you do that, right, I will be very happy, and then report that person. Cheers.